Hey guys, welcome to Everything About Art. In this video, we will be talking about which medium to use with tone papers, what are the types of tone papers, what are tone papers, and why do we use tone papers. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive notifications about the latest videos. We post art tutorials, art supplies reviews, and a lot of other fun stuff related to art. First, we'll be starting with which medium to use with toned papers. Should we use pencils, paints, color pencils, pastels, watercolors, or markers? For this, I prepared a sheet in which I will test every medium and show you which one is the best. So, let's jump to it. First, I will be using graphite pencils. For this, I have used a 4B pencil to test. One of the most important things before drawing on tone paper is that make a value chart to explore the range of darks and lights you can achieve on that kind of paper with the tools you have available. As you can see, we have received a very nice result in a perfect gradient, and we can see how it stands out. So graphite pencils are the best medium you can use with toned paper. Drawings done on toned paper can help you to use a wider range of values of light and dark colors and to show highlights and shadows more deliberately. Next, we will be trying soft pastels on toned paper. I will be making a gradient of red color and pink color, and let's see how the results turn up. As you can see, we have received a perfect gradient with perfect colors. So I guess soft pastels are pretty good for toned papers. Next, I will be trying oil pastels. I chose green and blue and tried to make a gradient. As you can see, I have received a perfect gradient, and hence I conclude that oil pastels are also nice to use with toned papers. Next, I will be using pencil colors wax based with the toned paper. Here I am using Brustro wax based color pencils, and let's see how the result turns out. I will be making a tricolor gradient of blue, purple and indigo. As you can see, we have received a pretty good gradient, and I think this too is suitable for toned papers. Next, I will be using alcohol-based Uhuhu markers with toned paper. First, I will put a layer of colorless blender to ensure that my colors blend well. As you can see, even after adding multiple layers, it hasn't blended. Hence, I would conclude that alcohol markers are not suitable for toned papers. Next, I would be testing various types of pens including glitter pens, neon pens and also fine liners. They work super well with the toned papers, and I think if you are looking forward to making a mandala art, then this would be the best option. If you're looking forward to making good watercolor paintings, then toned paper is not really what you would like to use. Because of the color of the toned papers, the colors which you try to paint on the toned paper change drastically. Hence, watercolors are not at all recommended for toned papers. You can create marvelous art pieces using toned papers, as they are very nice to add highlights to your paintings and your sketches. Start with a paper that is neutral in color such as grey or brown or sand and is mid-range in value. If it is too dark, your pencil lines will not show up. If it is too light, you will lose the impact of the highlights you will add with the white. There are lots of great colors of paper that are sold for pastel work and can be used for field sketching well. I like the Brustro toned papers. Also, an additional tip. With a graphite pencil, add lines and push the darker values. Then add highlights with a white pencil, which will make your drawing go pop. Working on toned paper often leads to more realistic results. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Our channel is new and we would love to see it grow. Hey guys, welcome to Everything About Art. In this video, we will be talking about which medium to use with toned papers, what are the types of toned papers, what are toned papers, and why do we use toned papers. Before starting off with the video, I would like to request you, before starting the video, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to receive notifications